Hi guys! Today we're gonna make Youvarlakia, Greek meatballs with rice and egg lemon sauce. We're gonna start with the water. I put 2.5 liters of water in the pot and I'm gonna start it. And I'm gonna put 1/4 cup olive oil. We're gonna leave it boil, okay? We're gonna start with the onion. I have one medium onion. I'm gonna slit it. And then we're gonna cut some parsley. It's already clean. And then I'm going to put 1 pound of ground beef, 85/15 fat. And then I'm going to put some pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. And then 2 handfuls basmati rice. So, and you're ready to mix it together. It's ready mixed. And now we're gonna leave it a little bit for 10 minutes so the water can be boiled and we'll make the meatballs. Everything is ready. We're gonna make the meatballs now. I'm gonna butter it with flour. The water is ready. It's boiling. 1 teaspoon. I'm gonna wash my hands now because I touched the flour. The reason I do the flour with the meatballs is to make the broth thicker. One by one with a spoon. Alright, my meatballs are boiled. It's going to take about 1 hour with the rice. So I'm going to put the rice now, 1 fist of, 1 handful of rice. And then I'm going to leave it boil, half hour more. Put my temperature on the on 5 and cover the food. Okay, our soup is ready. If you see, the rice is ready. So now I'm going to do the Avgolemono, okay? Turn it off. Meanwhile, I'm gonna prepare the lemons so we can do the egg lemon sauce. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with the lemon. If you don't know how to make Avgolemono sauce, I have a video, I have a link. You can go there and find out. I'm gonna put some broth in there so I can mix it not to be too cold. See? And now I'm gonna put it in there. And the soup is ready. Okay, we're ready to serve. gonna put some pepper in there. That was the recipe for today. See you next time, guys. Subscribe, please. Thank you.